Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Ford Taurus. First, let's tackle the oil life monitor. To begin, turn your ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the dashboard display. Find the Settings menu, then select Vehicle, and finally choose Oil Life Reset. Confirm your selection, and the system will update, ensuring accurate maintenance tracking for your vehicle. Next, if you're experiencing issues with your sync infotainment system, a soft reset can often resolve them. This is a simple process. Find the power button and the Seek Right button on your sync unit. Press and hold both of these buttons down at the same time. Keep holding them for approximately 10 seconds until the screen turns black and you see the Ford logo reappear. This will refresh the system without losing your saved data. Sometimes a more comprehensive reset is needed, which involves disconnecting the battery. First, make sure your Ford Taurus is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Locate your vehicle's battery, usually under the hood or in the trunk. Identify the negative terminal, which often has a minus sign. Loosen the nut on the negative terminal and carefully remove the cable. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes to allow all modules to power down. Finally, let's cover resetting your tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. After adjusting your tire pressures, you might need to reset the system. First, ensure all tires are inflated to the correct pressure, typically found on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Then, drive your Ford Taurus above 20 miles per hour for at least 2 minutes. This usually allows the system to recalibrate. If the light remains on, you might have a sensor issue or a specific reset button to press.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.